Shiven Gupta. Shiven Gupta. I think he's not there. Mukul Chaudhary. Mukul Chaudhary. So I think he also is not there. And Suraj Nobi. Suraj Nobi is there? No. And Kaluram, I think he also is not there. Okay, so here we end our this class 9, 10, 10 group. Now we will start with the class 11th participants. So before starting, I am reading out the names of first 5 participants. So you all be ready. So first participant of class 11th is Archita, Kushi Vishnoi, then Samriddhi, Ishika Sharma, and Neha Yadav. Okay, so you all be ready with your exhibits and sit at a place where your network is also good. Okay, so first of all, I will call Archita. Archita, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Veda, you can start now.
Good morning to all. I'm Archita Gupta of class 11A. The title of my project is Properties and Application of Static Charge. Here I made an instrument named electroscope. All we know that electroscope is a device which is used to detect charge on an object. Let's see how it is work. First of all, we have to rub a PVC pipe with a cloth for 15 to 20 seconds. After rubbing it, bring it near the end of the metal wire above the cap. You can see it. After bring it near the end of metal wire, the aluminum foil starts repelling each other. Now the question arises, why these strips are repelling each other? Well, all we know that PVC pipe rubbed with cloth acquires some charge, either positive or negative. When it brings near the metal wire, the charges from PVC pipe transfer to the aluminum strips through metal wire because metal are good conductor of electricity. Now the charges on both aluminum strips are same. That's why they are repelling each other. This is how we can use an electroscope to detect whether an object carrying charge or not. But there is a limitation that the electroscope cannot detect the type of charge, whether it is positive or negative. And there are so many applications of static charge like printers and photocopies where static electric charge attracts ink to the paper, dust removal, dryer, etc. Thank you. This is my project.
Can you hear me, Archita?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to know how these charges are produced. You are talking about the static charges. We have dynamic charges also. How these charges are produced?
Ma'am, when we rub PVC pipe with a cloth, some electrons are moved from cloth to PVC by conduction and induction.
Okay, and if we remove these aluminum strips with any plastic strip, then what will happen?
Ma'am, it not repel because plastic is not good conductor. Yes, sir. So your voice is not coming.
Okay. Now I think it is coming.
Now I think it is coming.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि यदि पीवीसी पाइप की जगह आयरन का पाइप ले लोगे आप तो भी क्या ये एक्सपेरिमेंट वर्क करेगा? यदि आप आयरन का पाइप ले ले पीवीसी पाइप की जगह तो क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट वर्क करेगा?
I think no, sir.
You think no. Why? You are not confirmed, beta?
Yes, sir, I'm not sure about it.
Okay. Or it may not. Okay.
Maybe or maybe not.
अच्छा ठीक है
ठीक है बेटा.
ओके अर्चिता, थैंक यू। कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग घबराइए मत। अगर कोई आपसे जजेस क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो आराम से रिलैक्स होके आप उसको आंसर करिए। बिल्कुल मत घबराइए बेटा, आंसर राइट है या रॉन्ग है उसकी टेंशन मत लीजिए आप, ठीक है? आप आराम से उसका रिप्लाई करिए। ओके, सो our next participant is खुशी बिश्नोई। खुशी, Kushi, are you there? I think Kushi has not joined yet. So I am calling the next participant, Samriddhi Gupta. Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am. How is I visible?
Yes, beta, visible and audible also. You can start now.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I, Samriti Gupta of class 11A, is going to present a model of a human eye. I have made this model of a human eye. This white colored protective layer is known as sclera. And this is a this black spot is known as pupil, through which the light enters in our eyes. The size of pupil depends upon the amount of light entering in the light. Pupil is surrounded by the muscles called iris. These provides eye the color. Here I have made the iris of blue color. Now behind the pupil there is a lens which is known as convex lens, and it is holded by the ciliary muscles. When the light entering in the eye strikes the lens, it refracts and forms a real and inverted image of the object. At this point, this is known as retina. Now, from retina, the image is transferred to the brain through these optic nerves, and the brain turns the image upright. Thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I want to ask one question.
Yes, ma'am.
You told that iris function is to provide the color.
Ma'am.
It has got one more function. What is that? एक और फंक्शन प्ले करता है आइरिस मसल्स, क्या फंक्शन है वो बेटा?
Ma'am, it adjusts the size of pupil.
It adjusts the size of pupil. Okay. And on retina we have two type of cells which help us to differentiate between the colors. Can you name them?
Cones and rods.
कॉन्स एंड रोड्स. अब इन दोनों में से कलर्स कौन आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं हमें?
Ma'am, cones.
ओके.
बेटा आवाज आ रही है?
Yes,
हाँ, आवाज सुन पा रहे हैं? अच्छा अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
आपने एक चीज बताई कि भाई जो हमारी इमेज है वो ट्रांसफर होती है ब्रेन में, तो उस स्पॉट का नाम बता सकते हैं? कौन सा स्पॉट है वो?
Blind spot.
ब्लाइंड स्पॉट. जो ऑप्टिक नर्व जो ब्रेन में जा रही है उसको ब्लाइंड स्पॉट बोलते हैं. तो येलो स्पॉट का क्या मतलब है?
क्या सर?
येलो स्पॉट. येलो
येलो स्पॉट पे जो इमेज मोस्ट ऑफ द लाइट होती है इमेज की वो येलो स्पॉट पे आती है.
अच्छा बेटा, कलर कौन सी सेल्स आइडेंटिफाई करेगी कलर?
कोन्स.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस क्यों होती है?
सर आपकी वॉइस ढंग से नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा अच्छा, अब आइए सही से। मैं
Yes,
पूछा था कलर ब्लाइंडनेस क्यों होती है लोगों को? आपने कलर ब्लाइंडनेस सुना है? जो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं मिलता जिनको भी कलर
नो
ब्लाइंड,
सर.
हाँ, जो ग्रीन सिग्नल और जो आपका रेड सिग्नल है वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते, तो किस वजह से होता है, कुछ बताओगे आप इसके बारे में?
So can you repeat the question?
हाँ, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जो कलर ब्लाइंडनेस के लिए क्या चीज रेस्पॉन्सिबल है? वो कलर आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते, ग्रीन लाइट और आपकी जो रेड लाइट है सिग्नल है वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते। ठीक है, तो जो कौन सेल्स होती है, कौन सेल्स और रॉड सेल्स जानते हो?
No sir.
कौन सेल्स एंड रॉड सेल्स।
हाँ.
हाँ, जो कौन सेल्स होती है उनका कंसंट्रेशन कम होता है, इसलिए वो कलर आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते हैं। ऐसे पर्सन जो है कलर ब्लाइंड होते हैं और उनको ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस इशू नहीं होती। ठीक है बेटा, ओके।
Yes.
Okay, Samriddhi, thank you, beta. So, our next participant is Ishika. Ishika, I think Ishika is not there. Okay, so now I'm calling the next participant, that is Neha Yadav. Neha Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा नेहा.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपकी पिक्चर बहुत ब्लर आ रही है, एडजस्ट करो थोड़ा कैमरा. Still it is not very clear.
मैं ठीक करूँ. वो भी लैपटॉप में है इसलिए. Ma'am, now clear?
It was better a few seconds ago. जैसे आपने सेटिंग करी थी मुझे कुछ ज्यादा बेटर लग रही थी. Yes, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा ऑफ कर दिया बेटा आपने. You need time for adjustment.
Ma'am, now clear?
Okay बेटा. Start now.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Neha Yadav of class 11B, standing before you to show an experiment, and my topic of my experiment is refraction of light, which is based on magic coin. So the materials required in this project are a coin, glass, and some water. So there are three cases in my project. So let's understand the science behind the magic one step after the another. So case one starts now. We will take the empty glass and put over it the coin. So here now we are able to see the coin from the sideways. Why this has happened? This has happened because of refraction of light. As in this diagram, we can see that this orange line represents the ray of light, and here only two mediums are present, that is air and glass. So there is not that much bending in this. That's why we are easily able to see the glass. Now case 2 starts. Here we will fill the glass with water. and then put the coin below it. Now here from the sideways we aren't able to see the coin, and this is also because of refraction. Here it is because there are three mediums involved now, that is air, water and glass. As we can as we can see in this case, there are three mediums, that is air, glass and water. This blue line represents the ray of light which is traveling from the coin and doesn't reaching our eyes. This is because all we know the refractive index of glass is 1.4 and of water is 1.33. So there is difference between the refractive index of these. That's why there is more bending of light and it is reaching upwards and we aren't able to see the coin. But when we see when we will but when we will see the coin from the able to see the coin. Now it is case 3 and it is of filled glass plus wet coin. Now we will pour some water on the coin and then we will place it over the glass. Now we easily are able to see the coin, and this is also because of refraction. Because in this case, see the ray of light, green ray of light is traveling from
Your time is over,
coin.
beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Neha. And now our next participant is Harsha Ganeshan. Harsha? I think Harsha is also not there. Okay, so now I am calling next participant, Mansi Kumawan. Mansi Kumawan.
Ma'am, am I visible?
Okay. Mansi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Look the camera, just look at that, clearly आ रही है picture.
One second, ma'am.
थोड़ा blur हो रही है बेटा picture.
One second. Ma'am, is it okay now?
फिर वैसे ही है बेटा.
Ma'am, is it visible now? Ma'am, may I start?
ऑडिबल नहीं है
बेटा आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है. Speak loudly, बेटा. मानसी.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
थोड़ी सी लो आ रही है बेटा आपकी वॉइस.
Ma'am, can I have a minute? I can join this other device.
Want to switch to other device?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will call you afterwards. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा. So now the next participant is Gunjan Kanwar. Gunjan.
Ma'am, wait a second. Ma'am, am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are audible. थोड़ा सा कैमरे में आप नहीं आ रहे बेटा.
लैंडस्केप में करो
लैंडस्केप मोड पे आओ बेटा. मोड पे.
मैम, मुझे आपका
मोबाइल को रोटेट कर दो बेटा लैंडस्केप में.
मोबाइल को रोटेट कर दो हॉरिजॉन्टल कर दो मोबाइल को
नहीं ऐसे तो
फुल स्क्रीन दे दो उसको होता
मैम ऐसे करना पड़ेगा।
बेटा ऑटो रोटेट ऑन करो,
हाँ
ऑटो रोटेट ऑन कर लो बेटा, और मोबाइल को रोटेट करके रखो।
है।
हाँ अब ठीक है बेटा। ओके ओके यस बेटा, नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट।
मैम my voice is clear now.
यस बेटा क्लियर।
Good morning everyone. Myself Gunjan Kawal, student of class. Today I am here to explain my topic. If we talk about pollution, then in locality of pollution, air pollution is having the number one position. Breathing in air pollution can take out at least 1 to 2 years of a typical human life. Its effect can be as smaller as burning eyes and itching throats to as bigger as breathing problems and death. Like, can you imagine how dangerous this air pollution is? And what is causing this air pollution? We can say industries, burning of fossil fuels, burning of garbage, bacteria. But what it all makes up? Smoke. So I am here with my project, the smoke absorber. A smoke absorber is basically a kind of tool that has an automatic fan inside. This automatic fan in the SMT line smoke absorber is meant to absorb the air particles and release the ingenious smoke out. On the whole, a smoke absorber device's job is to clean Ma'am, can I continue?
Gunjan, you are not audible beta. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Gunjan?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
आवाज नहीं आ रही ना?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, madam. You are audible. Continue.
Sir, should I start from the again
Yes,
because
बेटा continue.
but time?
मोबाइल में तो चल रहा है, तो मोबाइल को अभी लेटा है।
हाँ देखो। नहीं सर।
Yes,
बेटा
madam.
आप भी continue करो.
Ma'am, should I start again because the time is only 3 minutes, so I.
Okay. Yes. जहाँ पे छोड़ा था वहीं पे.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. Myself Gunjan Kawal, student of class 11C. Today I am here to explain my project. The smoke absorber. If we talk about pollution, then in locality of pollution, air pollution is having the number one position. Breathing in air pollution can take out at least 1 to 2 years of a typical human life. And its effects can be as smaller as burning eyes and itching throat. As bigger as
बोलो.
huh?
बोलो.
So can you repeat?
बेटा बोलिए आप कंटिन्यू करिए.
Sir, actually I got disturbed. I got disturbed.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोलिए.
Its effect can be as smaller as burning eyes and itching throat to as bigger as breathing problems and death. Like, can you imagine how dangerous this air pollution is? And what is causing this air pollution? We can say industries, burning of fossil fuels, burning of garbage, burning of fuels, bacteria. But what it all makes up? Smoke. So I am here with my project, the smoke absorber. A smoke absorber is a kind of tool that has an automatic fan inside. This automatic fan in the SMT line smoke absorber mean to absorb air particles and releases the ingenious smokes out. On the whole, a smoke absorber device's job is to clean the center air by taking out heat, flying grease, bacterial fumes, ignition products, unpleasant stink, and vapor to the outer atmosphere. Now I'll show how it works. I am introducing two incense sticks to this model of smoke absorber, and I am switching on the fans. I can see the smoke is coming out of this bottle. Can you? The perk of using this type of machinery can save an individual from several airborne diseases and respirational issues. At last, we will believe that this is a pioneering gadget is an incredible creation for everyone. And this is the inner circuit diagram of this model. I had used two DC motors, two 9-volt batteries, and two exhaust fans. And this is whole working in the smoke absorber. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Beta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
बेटा इसमें आपने बोला कि पोल्यूशन रिड्यूस करने के लिए आपने काम लिया है इसको.
Yes, sir.
बट जैसा कि मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि इसमें तो जो स्मोक है आपका,
Yes, sir.
वो एक एंड से एंटर करके बोतल से बाहर आ रहा है.
Sir, it's just
रिड्यूस कब हुआ?
sir.
तो बोतल से बाहर तो आ रहा है ना स्मोक.
हाँ sir.
तो पोल्यूशन तो ऑटोमेटिकली बोतल से बाहर आ गया स्मोक.
ना sir.
मतलब आपने उसका रास्ता चेंज कर दिया बस, केवल एक तरह से देखा जाए.
Can I?
Yes.
हाँ, yes.
Sir, it's just a model. I can't put an purifier in it. I told na ki it takes out the heat and flying grease, all the bacteria. So the bacteria will stick.
गुंजन, hear me? हाँ, तो
Yes,
ये जो
ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, हमारे घरों में बिल्डिंग्स में जो ऑर्डिनरी एग्जॉस्ट फैन लगे होते हैं, इसमें और उसमें ज्यादा क्या डिफरेंस है? मीन्स व्हाई पीपल विल बाय योर स्मोक एब्जॉर्बर?
Ma'am, because it has a purifier in it. With purified air.
हाँ, ओके. ये तो फिर बेटा जो टॉल चिमनीज पे हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रो प्रेसिपिटेटर्स होते हैं, फिर वो भी प्योरीफाइंग करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Any questions?
Okay, Gunjan, thank you very much.
Welcome.
Now our next participant is Divyanshi Mishra. Divyanshi, are you ready?
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
मैम मैं 11th क्लास में, पर मेरा हुआ ही नहीं.
Yes, beta.
मैम मेरा आया नहीं, मैं 11th क्लास में हूँ. अदिति जोशी.
What is your name, beta?
अदिति जोशी.
Aditi Joshi. Okay, बेटा आपका नाम तो नहीं है इसमें, कोई बात नहीं. आपने अगर प्रोजेक्ट प्रिपेयर किया है तो
मैम
what is
इसमें
your
क्या नाम?
Okay, so your class is beta
11th C.
11th C. Okay, and
Yes,
your roll
ma'am.
number?
11
Okay.
332.
Okay, just wait. Let judges enter your name in the list. Sir, please add her name, Aditi Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
11332.
स्टार्ट हो गया नहीं ना. अच्छा, आप लोग का रेफरेंस में टीचर भेजेंगे नहीं सर? आप
Yes, Aditi, are you ready, beta?
Ma'am.
Divanshi, you just wait. Let me first complete the students of class 11. Aditi Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा कैमरा ऑन करो अपना. Aditi, switch on your camera.
Visible.
जोशी टॉपिक क्या है?
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, beta. Now you can start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi Yoshi from class 11C and my roll number is 32. My project title is Hydraulic Braking System. Basically, hydraulic braking system is a braking system which uses hydraulic fluid which which contains a controlling mechanism and a braking mechanism. And controlling mechanism, I have two syringes which will create a pressure, and then this pipe contains a fluid like a oil, and this is wheel, and it contains a DC motor, and there are two syringes which will break which will stop the wheel, and there is a switch which is connected to a battery. First, I will switch the switch. If I put the pressure, then the wheel will stop. And when I will release, it will start. Its main principle is the Pascal law, which states that when pressure is acting in on a fluid, then it will distribute equal pressure to all. When I am putting this and when I'm pushing the syringe, then the fluid is providing a pressure to this, and then when I am starting the wheel, the syringe will stop the wheel.
Okay.
Okay, Aditi. Ma'am wants to ask you some question. Just wait.
Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me where we use this hydraulic system in daily life?
मैम वैसे तो ये व्हीकल के अंदर होते हैं, जैसे बड़े बड़े व्हीकल होते हैं उनको ब्रेक लगाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, तो ताकि फास्ट ब्रेक लग सके उसमें, जैसे कि ट्रक है उनके अंदर हाइड्रोलिक ब्रेक लगाए जाते हैं ताकि वो जल्दी से कंट्रोल कर सके उनकी व्हीकल को। और वैसे ये जैसे कि सर्विस सेंटर होते हैं उसमें जैसे अगर कोई व्हीकल ले जाता है अपन सर्विस सेंटर में, तो वहां पे भी व्हीकल को लिफ्ट करने के लिए एक हाइड्रोलिक पंप लगाते हैं, तो उससे हम जैसे पुश करते जाते हैं और उससे अपना व्हीकल लिफ्ट होता जाता है।
Okay,
और जैसे
fine.
और अम्यूजमेंट पार्क और मैम
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Okay, beta. So now I will call Neha. Neha, are you ready? Neha,
yes
Gupta.
ma'am. Yes
Okay.
ma'am. Good morning. My name is Neha Gocharan from class 11C, and I made a project on safety sensor for disabled persons. This sensor is an innovation which helps the blind persons to navigate with speed and confidence by detecting the nearby obstacles by using the ultrasonic waves and notify them with a buzzer sound or a vibration. They only need to wear this device as a band or as a cloth, and we have to demo this. We have to put on this button, and it was a buzzer sound and a vibration also feeling in my hand. And as the object is closer, the sound is also faster. So, according to WHO, the 39 million people worldwide are affected as a blind. They are suffering a lot of hardship in their daily life. The affected one has been using the traditional white cane for many years. It is effective, but it is still has lots of disadvantages. And another way is that having a pet dog, but it is expensive. So the main aim of this project is to develop a cheap and more effective way to help the visually impaired people, and it can help them by a greater comfort, speed, and confidence. Thank you.
Neha, beta,
What is the working principle of this experiment?
What is
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
working principle? What is your working principle of this project?
Sir, the
What is the
ultrasonic
working
sensor.
principle?
Yes,
Working
sir, the
principle.
ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance emitting a sound wave, then listening for a set of period of time, and
So it is like
allowing
radar.
the.
It is like
Yes,
radar
sir.
system. It is like radar system.
Ultrasonic sensor, sir.
Ultrasonic sound.
Yes,
So
sir.
for ultrasonic, what is the source of ultrasonic sound here? How the ultrasonic sound will be produced? How the
Sir,
ultrasonic sound will be produced? मतलब इसमें अल्ट्रासोनिक साउंड कैसे प्रोड्यूस होगा बेटा?
yes, sir, the ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance by emitting a sound wave and then listening for a set of period of time, and allowing for the return of echo of the sound of bouncing of the target and before retransmitting.
Okay, so मतलब blind person has to put this in his hand.
Yes, sir.
उसको अपने हाथ में लगाना होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Neha.